Hi everybody, how you doing? It's Mr. Bonom. Really quickly, I'm going to show you about using base 10 blocks to subtract. I have other videos about using a number line to subtract. A lot of third graders are familiar with base 10 blocks. If you're not, parents, this is what it looks like. You may see a large square like that represents 100. You see a rectangle, this represents a 10. Some kids just put a line, and then either a circle or like a small square represents 1. So these are 10s, these are 1s, and 100s are larger, but they look like squares also. Good visual for the kids. Also lets them understand the why behind certain problems, different equations. So for this, I'm going to use some subtraction. All right. Let's say I am doing 173 minus 96. All right. Traditionally, we'll stack it up like this, and we'll go that route. We call this stacking. We're not going to do that right now. We're going to focus on base 10 blocks. What I've been having the students do is label the equation. That means telling me what's the whole, what's the part, and what are we trying to find out. So in this, I want to label this first. This is a subtraction equation. So the whole, which some kids realize is a large number, comes first, and then comes a part. So that means we're trying to find a missing part. All right? And it doesn't really matter, because your equation could look like this as well. This is still a part, and this is still a part. But we're just going to put the 96. You could swap them in and out. So we'll put the 96 back over here just to not confuse anybody. So when using base 10 blocks, what I first do is show the whole. 100. I have 7 10s, so I can use 7 of these 10 rods or lines like that, just to make it quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this would represent 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Then I have 3 1s. So I'll just put 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. All right, cool. And now I have to subtract 96. First, start off with the 1s. 6 1s. Looking at my whole right here, I don't have enough 1s to take away 6 1s. So what I have to do is take one of these 10s, I circle it, and usually I write the word unbundle, just so kids know. Come over here, and now this becomes 10 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough 10s to take away that 6 1. But I'm going to cross this 10 out because it's not a 10 anymore. It's those 10 1s over here. Now I could cross out 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. See? Double check. It's also good for students to double check as well. And how many 1s do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. I go to the tens place of the part, and that's 9 10s that I have to subtract. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s. So I can't take away 9 10s. What I do is unbundle this 100. Unbundle. And I'm going to turn it into 10 10s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Now I have enough 10s to take away 9 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What am I left with? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, or if I count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70. I'm not subtracting any hundreds. Actually, I had no hundreds left because this hundreds turned into 10 tens over here. And all I have left is 70 and a 7. So that equals 77. Traditionally, with the stacking, the same thing would kind of be going on, but kids wouldn't see the actual effect. You can't take 6 from 3. We know that this 7 then becomes a 6. This becomes a 13, just like we had over here. 13 ones. 13 minus 6, 7. We can't take away 9 tens from 6 tens, just like over here. So we have to go to the hundreds. And now we turn that into 10 tens. So the 6 is now 16 tens. And now you can do 16 tens minus 9 tens. And that is 7 tens, 77. Right? Most kids know how to use base 10. And also they can explain the process with doing it in traditional form. It's a difficult time to actually, it's a difficult process of them explaining what's actually going on because they're not seeing it visually. But this is how you use the base 10 for subtraction. Alright? I know it might be confusing, but press the rewind button. Try to watch it again. Alright? This is Mr. Vanone. Thank you for watching. Peace.